Oh my God, who let her come out the house looking like that? I'm gonna hold up on the salon to get her some weed. She is doing her. OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She rich.
Beautiful. I'm gonna take this.
She Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you Ratchet.
Boy, bye. And now with them shoes on.
Because you Ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she's too bad.
She Ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy. And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I need a lot of flow. No shoe whistle. I had to get cute today. I was bottle jeans for a boot. I had to keep looking good, cause my baby nigga just made bail. He a dog, he a shoe day. New baby, need new shoes today. Child support check get today. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the deal today?
You know it.
Gone be feet up. Move trail. What's the 15? I got my food stamp. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tat. $95 for this weed plus tax. Bow. Everything goes while I stack my thumb. Don't really have this cake alone. Thinking that you better than I am. What did you think? You stupid? Whatever. She alive. My number. What? What is wrong with you, girl? Oh, girl. Be quiet. Hey, girl. You look good. You look. Turn around. Let me get your sweet.
Get it. Okay. We're gonna talk to you later.
OMG, what do she have?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she rich.
Let me take this couple pictures.
Cause she Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
You know you Ratchet.
Because I ain't got time for this. I'm too wrong.
See you Ratchet.
What about now with those shoes on?
You Ratchet.
What you wanna punch her in her face? I can't stand her. Oh, she's too fake.
She Ratchet.
My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Carl. We the before 11. Pre-game deal, we party.
There you go.
Yes, I am the bad bitch. You can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. All he got my jersey dress on. Jordan Hills match my press on. Pow, team dark skin. You don't like them red balls. Look lip in my pictures. New Abby got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team He Paying. I'm saying, I mean, he might as well spend it on me.
Come over there being rich.
Like nothing.
I'm on my job.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Girl, oh my God.
I'm with her. She's so excited.
OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all on.
She rich.
Give me the phone. I gotta take this out for picture.
Because she Ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this thing on Twitter.
You know you rich.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you Ratchet.
What? Why? Not with your shoes on.
She Ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Oh, she Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Oh, she's so fat.
She Ratchet.
Think that she look good with the leopard skin.
What you gonna do?
Get leopard skin.
Yeah, Ratchet. I said,
you look like
that's what you gonna
okay,
do.
I got it. Your hair is a jungle, and you
do?
wanna get leopard spots tatted on you. Oh my God. Boy, bye.